good morning, YouTube, and welcome you all to this new vlog. Today, we are driving all the way to Kollam village, which is situated in newly carved Darbandoda Taluka and bordering with Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary, which in fact is very rich in flora and fauna. Now the best part of Kollam is its geostrategic importance because of majestic Sahyadri mountain range with river Madai flowing through it and the mighty Dudsagar Waterfall, which in fact could be called as crown of this part of Goa. So here we are, driving through the beautiful countryside of Goa to explore much talked about Dudsagar Waterfall at Kollam.
Here we are finally at Kollam. So it's exactly 7 in the morning and we have just started our trek. So it's gonna be almost, I think, 4 to 5 hours walk. Let's say how long it's gonna take. Stay tuned for all the updates, and we are gonna have there is Dukor pig. So we are gonna have a good time, a great time after a long, really long time. And as I said initially, I'm out after 7 months. So this 7 months, whatever time we spent at home because of the COVID, was very different. So chalo, anyways, let's see how this trek is gonna be, and I'm going to enjoy with my team. So as I said, we just started our trek, and this trek is gonna be for almost, I think, of 14 kilometers one way. So 14 into 2, 28 kilometers we're going to trek today. And by now it is very obvious, you all know where I'm going. So we all are going to Dudsagar, and I'm really excited. This is my second trip to Dudsagar. Already been there once, that was way back. I think probably 6 years back. Yeah, I think so, 6 years back. So right now, as you can see, we are trekking parallel to railway track, and this railway track will take us directly to the mighty Dudsagar, which is the 5th highest waterfall in India. Chalo, let's enjoy the trek. Keep watching this video. So there the train comes all the way from Dudsagar. Yeah. It's been a 1 hour. We are walking on the track, and our speed is okay. We are not tired as of now. We are enjoying. We have a lot to talk, discuss, and look at the nature around us. It's beautiful, so calm, peaceful, really fantastic. Good to be here after a very long time. So I hope you all are enjoying this small vlog. So stay tuned for more updates. So here we are, the first tunnel on this track, in fact. So finally we found something, a dinosaur here right in the forest, and I'll show you the dinosaur. Here it is, see. Ooh. Can you see this? It's moving. Yeah. Come on, buddy. Move. Yeah. So that's a small creature who's living in this part of the world. And we should respect them. Cheers. This is, I think, fifth tunnel. Yeah, so this is the fifth tunnel which we are crossing,
Around 11.30 kilometers.
and almost 11.5 kilometers we have covered, done, and it took us approximately 1 to 3 hours and 10 minutes. 10 minutes because we took 15 minutes break there for that time lapse which you must have seen. So chalo, let's keep walking, keep walking. And here we are coming out of the tunnel 6, and probably now we are very close to the fall. In fact, we have already reached to the fall.
Life will give you an ample opportunity, but this comes only once in your life. So enjoy the majestic fall of Goa. Presenting you all before Dudsagar. In fact, the Legend of Dudsagar.
So, yes, finally, we made it. So now we are planning to go at the bottom of the waterfall, and this is a new adventure which we are going to take now. Chalo,
We reached earlier.
let's. Thank God that we reached early. See the crowd. I don't know across the tunnel you could see anything, but almost hundreds of people are in line to come to this fall. Chalo, let's.
So if you're coming, come early in the morning.
Exactly.
So that you don't see the crowd. So you can see the entire waterfall without any
Disturbance.
So
So
in the morning, around we reached over here around at 7:30 in the morning. We started walking. So it's better you come early in the morning.
right.
You
Not
don't see that
7:30.
crowd.
We reached actually at 7.
Yeah.
We started at 7 exactly precise, and we made it in 3 hours. So as Shankar has given advice to all of you that if you are really planning to come to Dudsagar, then please start early so that you don't get mixed up with the crowd and you cover up the point and you go back to your home safely on time. And now we are going at the bottom of the fall, so this is really gonna be a tricky way, but thanks to Mahindra who's leading us. He's our guide today. Mahindra Bahubali. Yeah. Chalo. Dum 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 dum. This is the view of the fall which I was talking about from the bottom. What a majestic view. Look at the view. It's worth walking for those 12.5 kilometers. It's really worth coming over here. What else can I expect more than this? This is really an epic fall of Dudsagar. Legend of Dudsagar.
While reading about the Dudsagar and the stories associated with it, including about some myths and legends, I happened to come across this fantastic story of princess. So, the story goes like this. Once, there was a princess. The daughter of the kings of Ghats was bathing in the lake located near her father's castle. After bathing, the princess, along with her maidens, particularly women who has never been married, sat beside the lake and drank milk from the jug. This jug was said to have been made of gold and embedded with precious stones and diamonds. One day, while she was bathing in the lake, a handsome prince was riding through the woods, and on hearing the laughter sound, he was curious to see from where the sweet laughter sound was coming. The prince then saw the scarcely clad princess, means inadequately clothed, and to protect her honor, the maidens, in a hurried way, poured the milk from the jug, which formed a curtain of milk around her. Thus, this curtain of milk, which protected her modesty of the princess, is known as the Dudsagar Waterfall, and we have the legend of Dudsagar Waterfall.
Alright, so finally we are done with the Dudsagar Waterfall. We just now had a small break. We actually had our lunch. We bought a packed lunch here and we had it just next to this beautiful river. Now this is the same water which comes all the way from Dudsagar. Diptesh, how's the coffee? Kodu kodu. Shankar, very sweet. Okay. So here we are at the middle of the nowhere on the track, and it's coffee break. It's 2:45 and more 2 hours to go, and we decided to take a coffee break. And after this, it's going to be very easy walk all the way from this track. So this is it.
Not sponsored by Nescafe.
And this is not sponsored by anybody. This was all planned because we knew that it will take a long time for us. So here we are, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll end my vlog here. So if you like this vlog, then you know the drill. So please do so and take care of yourself. Bye bye.
कब मिलेगा?
ये मिलेगा जब मेरा ग्राफिक कार्ड आएगा.
अरे वो ग्राफिक कार्ड कब आएगा?
ग्राफिक कार्ड gonna come by next week.
त्याचा कॉम्प्युटर आणणार आहे.
कोणाचो हाड कंप्युटर
नाटकर
दिता रे उगलून भाड्याक
गाड्याक घे ते मदले उगल यू कॅन थिंक ऑफ